Starting a remote connection with Supremo takes only a few simple steps. The software can be downloaded directly from the supremocontrol.com homepage. Supremo does not require an actual installation, so when it is finished, you just need to run the executable, and on first startup you can define whether you want to launch Supremo directly or configure unattended access, that is, the ability to launch Supremo when the PC starts. Launching Supremo takes you to its main interface, and on the left-hand side are the credentials, i.e., the login ID and password, automatically assigned by Supremo to this specific computer. The remote user has to perform the same steps on his PC and communicate his credentials. To initiate the connection, simply enter the ID of the remote PC to be reached in the Connect to section, type the login password, and click OK. The connection with Supremo is now active and you can perform the various tasks exactly as if you were physically in front of the remote PC, taking complete control of it. All useful features while connecting remotely are available in the top bar, such as file transfer functionality, chat, various remote PC control options, screen management and multi-monitoring. Supremo guarantees secure remote connections and is a cross-platform software.